Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we will listen about Agentforce. When you were young, you and your siblings or friends probably wished for some sort of cool robot-like thing that could help with the dishes or clean your bedroom. So you could do different kinds of things like riding bikes or playing Xbox. Now that you're an adult and working in a business, you probably still wish for something to help with various jobs or help your customers engage more easily with your company. Welcome to Agentforce. Agentforce puts helpful AI agents that know your business right in your everyday workflows to seamlessly handle all kinds of jobs for your employees and customers. How does Agentforce do it? Agentforce is a proactive, conversational AI solution made up of autonomous agents that sits on the Salesforce platform. What exactly is an autonomous agent? An autonomous agent is an advanced type of AI that can understand and respond to inquiries, then take action with or without human intervention. When an agent is given an objective, they can generate tasks for themselves, anticipate next steps, change course based on user input, and initiate new tasks within the use cases and guardrails you set up. You might think of your agent force as trusted digital teammates. How Agentforce gets work done. Agentforce is built using smart technologies and highly customizable components. You might be thinking, smart? What makes a component smart? Well, Agentforce uses the power of artificial intelligence like machine learning and natural language processing to make sense of your conversations, questions, or requests. Agents then process those requests by following your instructions so they can return responses that are grounded in your secure data. Many of the components in each agent can be configured to address unique needs across your organization.